Good morning students, this is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, in yesterday's class we have started the retirement of a partner. Retirement of a partner means when the partner is leaving our partnership business, okay, or we can say when the partner is leaving our partnership firm, then there will be too much changes, or we can say that there will be changes in that profit sharing ratio of the remaining partner. It may happen that profit sharing ratio is not changing, or there can be change in the profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners. So when a partner will admit in the partnership firm, then also there will be changes in the partnership business, and when a partner is retiring from the partnership business, then also there will be change in the that we can say procedure of the remaining partners. Okay, so today in yesterday's class we have discussed the case number 1 when there is no agreement regarding the profit sharing ratio. We can see that when the partnership deed does not explain anything regarding the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners after the retirement of a partner. Okay, today we will discuss when there is PSR given, or we can say when there is information given regarding the profit sharing ratio. What does it mean? That when there is some information given in the partnership deed. We know that the partnership deed contains all the rules and regulations of the partnership firm. As you know that the partnership deed is not compulsory to prepare, but all the partnership businesses prefer to prepare the partnership deed, so that if there is some disputes, they can be settled as per defined in the partnership deed. Okay, so when there is when the profit sharing ratio, or we can say when the information regarding the profit sharing ratio is given, at that case there will be changes in the profit sharing ratio, and there will be some difference in the gaining ratio also. Okay, when we were discussing the yesterday's topic, in that case there was no change in the gaining ratio. Gaining ratio means in which ratio the remaining partner will gain the share of retiring partner. Okay, and we know that when we were discussing the yesterday's topic, when there was no information given regarding the that change, then the remaining then the gaining ratio was equal to the profit sharing ratio. Okay, the gaining ratio was equal to profit sharing ratio. But when there is change in the profit sharing ratio, means when there is change in PSR, at that time we have to change. This symbol is related to change. When there is change in PSR, in that case there will be change in gaining ratio also. Okay, and we will calculate this gaining ratio, and we will calculate, because we know that in the gaining ratio only the remaining partners will compensate to the retiring partner. Okay, we know that in the gaining ratio only the remaining partners will compensate to the retiring partner. Okay, so today we will discuss the concept of when there is change in profit sharing ratio. Okay, so let's discuss with a question. There is a question with me that A, B, C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1 by 2, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. What is the question? That there are three partners A, B and C, and they are sharing profits in the ratio of 1 over 10, 3 over 10 and 1 over 5. Okay, and what does it say then? B retires from the firm. Who is getting retired? B retired. Okay, B is getting retired, and A and C agree to share future profits in the ratio of 3:2. New profit sharing ratio is given. New PSR between the A and C is given, that it will be 3:2, and we have to calculate the gaining ratio. Okay, we have to calculate the gaining ratio. So see here, first of all we will make the same base. Okay, in this we will divide like this. If the part of A will be multiplied and divided by 5 over 5, then the base will become equal to B. It will be 5 over 10. And if we will divide and multiply with the same, then it will not affect the exact ratio. Okay. B's share is 3 over 10 and the C share will be 2 over 10. So the old profit sharing ratio will be 5:3:2. 5 this is the old PSR between the A, B and C. In this the B is getting retired and the remaining partners will be A and C. The remaining partners will be A and C and their new profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. Okay. So here we have to calculate the gaining ratio. What is asked in the question? That calculate, or we can say that find out the gaining ratio. So we know that if we are finding out the, so here we will calculate the gaining ratio, and to calculate the gaining ratio, what is the formula? We will gaining ratio is equal to new share minus old share. What is the formula for calculating the gaining ratio? Is new share minus old share, and we will find the gaining and sacrificing gaining ratio. Here to calculate the gaining ratio, what is the formula? New ratio or new share minus old share. Remaining partners are A and C. So here first of all we will find out the gaining ratio for the A. Okay, new share is 3 over 5 minus old share was 5 over 10. So here we will take the LCM. 10, 6 minus 5. 1 over 10 will be the gaining ratio for the A. 1 over 10 will be the gaining ratio for the A. Okay. Now we will find out the gaining ratio of B. B's new share is 2 over 5 minus, we will deduct the 2 over 10. Okay. 4 minus 2. 2 over 10 will be the gaining ratio for the B's. Here we have calculated the gaining ratio of A and B. And if we have find out the gaining ratio, what does it define? That here A and C will compensate to the B. To whom they will compensate? To the B, because B is getting retired and his share is taken up by the A and C. B's share is taken up by the A and C, that in return, in consideration, we will say that in consideration A and B will compensate to the B by paying the amount of goodwill. Okay, and in which ratio they will compensate? In the gaining ratio. Okay, in the gaining ratio A and C will compensate to the B, because here the B is getting retired and the retiring partner is giving his share to the remaining partners. Okay, so the remaining partners will compensate to the retiring partner. So this question was related to the case when the new profit sharing ratio is given. Okay, when the new profit sharing ratio is given when a partner is getting retired. जब एक पार्टनर रिटायर हो जाता है, then also there will be some partners who will continue the partnership business or partnership firm. Then how the share of profit will be adjusted when the partner is getting retired. Okay, there are yesterday we have discussed the concept in which there was no agreement, or we will say that when there is no change in the profit sharing ratio, or when there is no information regarding the new profit sharing ratio, and this case is related when there is new profit sharing ratio given. So solve these questions at home. If